Good morning, everyone. My name is Ojasu Gautam, and I am here with the pre-market analysis video for 28th. So today we will be discussing about the key levels on which the market can react and what is my view on this particular chart on Bank Nifty as well as Nifty. What my particular analysis is saying to me. So let us analyze accordingly. So as we can see, uh, we are already into a downtrend market. So what things we can see if we compare, if we like analyze the chart using the CPR, and we are into a day time frame with monthly CPR. So as we can see here, so this month CPR was a very narrow CPR, and we observed a very trending market to the lower side. It almost dropped to almost 10%. Now, as we can, one more thing to analyze is if we see this trend, this range, the market is almost taking its rejection from the midpoint. This is the midpoint. This is already a demand zone, supply zone. This is the supply zone, and market has not yet reached the midpoint, but before the midpoint it faced rejection, and there is an important moving average, very important moving average, 20 moving average, on which the price has taken the rejection. So if we compare this chart with the Bank Nifty chart, so if we can see here, this is also reacting the same way. This is the range, and this has taken the exact rejection from the midpoint of this range, from the high to the bottom, exact midpoint. Now, one more thing that has to be seen here is the CPR. What CPR is telling us? CPR is telling us there is a strong resistance over here in a downtrending market. One downtrending CPR, and again the market has taken a rejection from this particular area, particular level. So what we can see is we might be seeing again a downtrend and a further downtrend beyond. Maybe not. So this is my like overview of why market might have rejected the levels yesterday. Why wasn't it going up to fill this level? It could also have filled this level here because there was a strong pivot here, and as we can see our levels were also here, but who knows. So now coming back to the weekly CPR, like in our time frame, what we have seen from yesterday is yeah. So this is an uptrending CPR, but the price has taken its first rejection from the pivot, from the weekly pivot. This is the weekly pivot, and price took a good rejection from this particular level. And again, we saw a downtrend. But as we all know, this was a strong demand zone. This was a strong supply zone from where the market was again and again pulling down. But as the price break up, actually gaps are usually nothing, but basically what it shows that there is a big bullish candle here. So hopefully might market might have broke this particular level, and we can see a retracement here, and again might be market moving upwards. But I am a little precarious, might like I seeing the market coming to this particular level, taking a bounce back here and coming back. So what weekly CPR and monthly CPR tells us is these are the other time frame, or you can say big institutional buyers or sellers, those who are sitting at these particular levels. So these are important levels to mark on the chart. Apart from this, let us come to the 5-minute time frame. So I'm just Bank Nifty and Nifty are almost similar. If I like do the analysis of this particular chart also, I'll get to know that mm, yeah, so in 1 hour time frame, we'll get to know that market has consolidated in this particular area, though Nifty couldn't break this area as of now, but it is still above this moving average. So what there is a crossover already, and we have seen a good trend here because like if we see this level, there's a big gap, which means there was a very strong green candle here, and now the price is consolidated, and we might see a good move, good rally upwards till this level that we marked yesterday, or might be the market is filling this gap mm, to the level of till this level, or might be taking rejection from this level. We don't know what is going to happen because Bank Nifty is at a very strong strong level. Might be Bank Nifty is going upwards and taking a rejection from this particular level, or might be Bank Nifty moving up to take the rejection from this particular level. We don't know. But what Nifty says, what Nifty predicts, that there is a big gap between this and this, and Bank Nifty also a big gap. So might be the market is coming upwards, and taking its rejections from this particular zones. So this could act as a barrier for the price to move up. So now coming back to our range, what we are seeing right now is this level parallel, yeah, might be the market is respecting this particular level, this range, so we might be seeing a good rally upwards. So there are multiple patterns that can be seen. Some might be seeing this level, some might be seeing like some are seeing these levels, like they are seeing these levels. For some people might be this is the range, and so the market always move like this. Some people are watching for this range, some might be watching the range what I marked just now, yeah, this one some might be watching this one, some might be like finding some sort of uptrending triangle, yeah, this is the uptrending triangle. So there are multiple ways to analyze the market. What what simply just you have to do, what I do is that apart from marking these levels, I usually mark horizontal lines on my chart. So tells me a little more truth about the prices. Now as we can see here, the closing is like below this particular level. So let's see what happens today. Even I am not aware, like I cannot predict the market, but yeah, we can predict the moves. Like the price might be coming back to this particular level and bouncing back, as we have important levels, important CPRs at this particular level. Show daily, show weekly. So yeah, yesterday was a very narrow CPR, but we didn't experienced any trending day because it was a very big gap up. Whenever there is a very big gap up, there is a consolidation in the initial phase, like at least till 1 hour, and when after 1 hour price starts taking support and runs upwards. But this was not the case yesterday. So now let's see what happens. Again, I guess the CPR is very narrow and nifty today. Not much narrow, but yeah, it is narrow. Mm, Same goes with Bank Nifty, I guess. Bank Nifty might be wide. No, it is narrow. It is a narrow range. So let us see how the market reacts. The important key levels for today might be, let us close this open. This was the low of the day. This was the high. This was a strong supply zone here. This is a strong supply zone here. Mm, this was an important level because market took the support from its initial balance low. This is the hourly low, initial balance low, tried to sustain above this level and gave a breakout, consolidated above this demand zone, supply zone, which is now turned into might be a demand zone, consolidated and again gave a breakout upwards. This was a breakdown, this was a breakout. Now what happened? The market reacted, got up, took rejection from the monthly CPR low, and again failed to this particular level. So there are two levels that we have formed here. One is this particular level. This is the initial balance low, which was later worked as a resistance, for resistance to move the price upwards, and this is the low of the price here. This is the low. So these are the levels that I would be looking for market to trade. I hope the market is if the market is a gap up today, I don't know, भी टाइम नहीं हुआ है जब मैं रिकॉर्ड कर रहा हूँ उसको. So let us see what happens today. So this was my analysis for monthly, weekly, and this particular day, this particular session. So even here we got a low of this. So this is the range that we have got. This is the uh, midpoint. This is the close of the price. If you want to mark it, you can mark it, but as it is very close to the low of the day, I am not going to mark this. So this is it, guys. Thank you and have a very nice day. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, subscribe to my channel. And if you are very interested in using the CPR, do let me know in the comment section what new things do you want to learn from the CPR. CPR is so strong that we can even uh, do swing trading with this monthly CPR. If you will see here, one can easily do, like, if you see here, see how the CPR is very helpful. Even 21 EMA is also very good for trading. See, uptrending CPR. No. So CPR is a very good, like, CPR is very good indicator to predict the price movements in the future. So I hope you like this video, and if you are interested for swing trading analysis videos, you can let me know in the comment section. We will be making a separate video for that particular topic also, the swing trading topic also. So thank you guys, thank you so much.